so your blower fan just decided to up and quit. Before things get a little out of hand, more than 90% of electrical problems are caused by a blown fuse. So let's check them. And don't forget the fuse box in the engine bay. If all the fuses are fine, let's check the fan itself. The fan should have some free play. Just rotate it counterclockwise to unlock it. Check for bad wiring or melted connectors. Well, there's your problem right there. Made in Canada. To test the fan, strip a couple of wires and attach them to a battery. If the fan spins, you may have a bad resistor. In this case, whip out the old voltmeter. Put the key in the on position. Turn on the fan. Locate the resistor next to the fan. Use the voltmeter to check the power going to the fan. In my case, I have more than 14 volts of power at all speed settings. 90% of over voltage or under voltage issues are caused by the resistor. So I bought a new resistor. And a new fan. Let's see if that worked.